And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now let's see the same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and take preparation. Then we dance first 3 steps of natural turn, followed by a running finish. From here we continue outside partner into open natural turn. At the corner we dance outside swivel followed by promenade pivot. Now we continue with hover corte, turn strongly to left, and then a running finish. Then we dance a running spin turn, which is first 3 steps of natural turn, then pivot and open natural turn. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and start with preparation. Then we move diagonally to ball with first 3 steps of natural turn. We continue moving down line of dance with running finish. In same direction we move with open natural turn. Into corner we dance outside swivel, and then we continue to move diagonally to center with promenade pivot. Now diagonally to center, hover corte. We continue diagonally to wall with running finish. Now we dance running spin turn down line of dance. And around the corner we dance second part of running spin turn. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.